Okay, we cut and fabricated our curb, as you can see here, to fit right into this slot. Our penny tile is installed. It looks fantastic, proper pitch and slope right down to the drain with our prefab Schluter tray. We like to install topical membrane over our band just for good measures. Seams and penetrations where the curb meets the walls as well as the bench. So today is going to be shower wall tile. We'll most likely get about 90% of this shower done. We're going to do some sanding and texture spray as well as paint the ceiling. Let's go, guys. A lot of work. Let's get her done. We are currently prepping the shower surround, the pan, getting rid of all the thin set through the joints. Good prep prior to grouting is the key. A bad grout job can really destroy the quality, cleanliness, and detail of a shower build. So prep, grout, wipe down, polish. We're going to seal the grout. We already have our drywall texture sprayed, the ceiling painted. This project is going to be over in about a couple of hours. We're gonna pack up all the tools, hitch the trailer, go to the dump, and then enjoy a nice, long, well-deserved lunch. Here we go. Okay guys, our 5-day project is complete. Let's show you the final result. Beautiful shower. The shower was our only responsibility, not a full bathroom remodel. They needed the curb to be nice and short in order to comfortably step over. Previous curb was about 13 inches tall. Everything looks fantastic, bright, modern, clean, subtle veins and movement. We've got penny tile for the pan, penny tile for the back of the niche for our deco. Nice 28-inch niche on the back wall here for your shampoos and conditioners. New valve and trim kit, raise the shower head. Schluter tray curb, curdy board on the walls, and we have our removable Schluter drain grate here. We've got our prefab Schluter bench here, 16 inches, trimmed out with Schluter Jolly for the sides of the shower. Fantastic looking design, shower, clean, modern. Our client is very happy. We are very happy. As per usual, guys, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell icon to get notified, smash that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.